Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming eligibility and collecting documents. This is non-negotiable. Once verified, create an account on Motion Kota's admission portal and complete the primary form fields. Make sure to upload transcripts, ID, and photos in required formats while your files are organized to avoid delays. Pay the application fee online, note the reference number. You'll receive an initial confirmation email. Save it and proceed to schedule any entrance tests or counseling slots that the portal prompts you to book. Once done with registration, focus on the entrance test and interview process because that decides selection. You should study the syllabus strategically, target high-weight topics first, and take timed practice tests to build stamina. Register for the official test date and review test day rules, ID requirements, and online proctor guidelines if remote. Simultaneously, rehearse interview answers and prepare a concise portfolio or statement of purpose that explains why you fit Motion Kota's program. Make sure to get feedback from mentors. You finalize admission by accepting the offer and paying the enrollment fee before the deadline. This secures your seat. After payment, complete orientation paperwork, select accommodation and register for classes so you're set for day one. Keep digital copies of all receipts and communications. If something goes wrong, missing payment, upload error, or delayed acceptance, contact admissions immediately, document every exchange, and follow the published appeal or refund process. Persistence and clear records resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.